Well, I haven't actually opened this box up yet. So let's I don't know, I just read the reviews on Amazon that said that this stuff works pretty good. SILESS Sound Deadener Thermal Shield. Reduce road noise and vibration. Sounds like there's nothing in here though. I guess we're gonna see. I don't even remember how much this stuff costs. I don't think it was, oh no, made in Russia. For some reason everybody hates Russia nowadays. Alright, so let's see here. It's just like some foam padding. Kind of does have some instructions. Man, it has a lot of steps, but we'll go through it and then we'll see. But yeah, it's just like a like some kind of foam. So I don't know, let's get it figured out. Alright, well I guess we'll start on this side. I'm just going to roll it out and to just make the cuts as I need. And it comes in a big roll, so maybe it'll be easier. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, this stuff seems super easy to work with. I literally just laid it over and just pushed it down over these little, you know, where it needs to be, and it just like went right over it. So I'm just gonna lay this down or peel this thing back, the sheeting back, and then lay it down, see how it sticks. Actually kind of nice. Alright, there's the first layer. I'm gonna, obviously these are gonna cause way more cuts, so I'll have to figure that out, but I'll give an update. I don't want to film every last little bit. Alright, well, my battery died, of course, while I was in the middle of all this. But I did finish putting that on this. I just realized it have these little pockets right here. I might have to cut that out. Just realized that. Anyways, so I did remove this speaker here, and I put these little taps I have that connect to the factory wire. This wiring goes to the factory speaker. I'm extending it. I'm gonna make it go over there because I'm probably just gonna, oops, I guess I should point the camera, huh? So I'm gonna follow this wiring harness all the way over, and because I'm probably gonna go high level so I don't have to get into the dash or anything. And I don't even use these speakers, I have them turned off. So I'm gonna do the other side. I already have it already built. I'm just gonna take this speaker out up here. There's a 7mm, and then it just pops out. Super simple, but I'm gonna do that real quick. But I'm not sure when the camera died, but as you can see, most of this is all done. I didn't really want to mess with this wall, that's why I put it on that panel. And then I still have to put it on these panels right here. And so there's still quite a bit to do, but just to update, I had to go get another battery. Let's go. Alright, well, I'm pretty much done in here, and I'm still debating on putting that sealless on that, but I did run the wiring from there all the way over, and then this one here, I got them right here. So I'm pretty much ready just to put the carpet back in. I forgot I gotta pull these back up because in order to get that mat in there, or that the pad. Let's see, this stuff's pretty much ready though, but I can always do this later, I guess, if I decided I want to. But the reason why is check this out. Now this is way better than it used to be, but listen to that. So we'll see. But like I said, I could always just pull this panel off and put some on there. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean those B pillars or side pillars, whatever these are. I'm going to clean these all up. They're super dusty, as you can see. And then I'm going to apply some of that sealless on here, and hopefully to deaden this a little bit too. So, alright, let's get going.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry.
Alright, well, I just wanted to speak on this. I couldn't remember how this came out actually, so I figured I would just tell you guys just in case you're in the same predicament. I mean, just to save you a little bit of time. But so you can see the configuration of the holes to help you out. I totally forgot, but this harness needs to be on top, so you have to have this out, that little module, all the harness loose and out of these little clips, right? And then this part, the pad, slides underneath the harness, and then you put everything back. So I was having trouble figuring that out for a second, but anyways, so I just figured if somebody's putting their interior back together, and they can take a look at this and glimpse how the pad is in there. But so far, it's going together good. Let's keep going. Alright, well, we got the carpet in. Let's see if I can. All nice and neat. Carpet goes in easy because it's like molded exactly how it goes in, so it's pretty simple. But carpet looks good. Now I don't want to put everything back together, but I think I'm gonna maybe finish this side, that pillar, and then probably just put the front seat in temporarily so I can move the truck back and forth. And because I want to leave this stuff out because I still need to run that power wire and get the sub in and all that kind of stuff. So I kind of wanted to put that panel on in the back though, but I don't know, we'll see. But for now, the carpet's in and it's looking good, so let's keep going.
Why you never said you felt that way? I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Alright, so I did put this carpet back in here. It's just these little push pins. There's one over there, one over there. Well, it's supposed to be one right here, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do because I may have to cut this carpet, or I don't know. But I'm definitely not gonna put that other whatever you call it, like the factory panel that goes in the back. Matter of fact, let me show you. It's really thick, and I don't know. I mean, I guess it depends what it sounds like. I'm not gonna throw it away or anything, but that's like super thick. So I'm gonna leave that out for now. Oops. I'm gonna leave that out for now, and then we'll just see what happens, see how it sounds. I don't want, because that is pretty thick, I don't want it to be a negative thing. So, but I can always just slap that in there later. So let's see, I think for now I'm done. I can't put this top panel on because I got to put this pillar in. Actually, you know what, I could probably put this pillar in. Maybe I will do that. I think I will, because if I get that in, I really have no reason to be right here. So yeah, you know what, I'm gonna get this one in, and then maybe I will slap that back panel on and see what happens. Let's go. Alright, well, I'm gonna officially say part 2 of this escapade is done. So I got the driver's seat is just in there temporarily. I did end up putting this piece on. It's actually a pain a little bit because of the more stuff on the bottom. This is harder to get in there, but I got it in there. And I did put this on. So, but if I take that out, it's no big deal. But I ended up just slapping it in there. Now this is just you know, I guess we'll wait and see when I get that woofer in. That's what we're waiting for to finish this job. I don't want to put center console, all that. Rather just leave it out. We'll have so I'll have a lot of room, and you know, just make it easier. So, but I mean, it looks clean in here. I cleaned this carpet really good. So I got the wires ran over here for the high level input for the amp. I mean, actually everything turned out really good. Like I said, you can, I mean, that stuff, when I open up that box of that SILESS, I guess that's what it's called, I was kind of like, you know, what is this? The box was so light. I wasn't really sure what to think of it, but man, I think that stuff makes a huge difference. So, I mean, you could probably just use that if you wanted to, but hey, when you got it all apart, might as well just do it the best you can. So, but I would say with the KILLMAT and that SILESS, it's that's a pretty good combination to quiet the vibration, the you know, everything, just to make the vehicle feel more premium, and maybe to stop some of the rattles. Like I said, I ain't trying to put a bunch of bass in here, but I don't like any rattles. Rattles get on my nerves, like my last nerve. So figured, you know what, it's a lot of work, but it's not real expensive, and it's something you can do yourself. So just sound deadening the truck. Anyways, part 2 over, and when everything comes in, we'll get to installing that 4 gauge and figuring out how I'm going to do all that, and then we'll, hopefully it sounds good. Anyways, signing off. Peace.